Okay, here's one of my passes here that I thought looked okay, but it just wasn't 60 foot good. It was a 1/18 60 foot. And just show you what all I got here. This is the G-force line. This is the rear laser on the rear end housing. So this would show basically sidewall crush on the tire. RPM. This line here is my front laser sensor. This one here is my rear shock. And that's my boost. Front wheel speed, and that's the drive shaft speed. So right on the hit, it slams up to around 2.2 Gs. Don't pay attention to the 223. It's 2.2 Gs, which you hit it pretty fast, but it just didn't do anything after that. It was just like hovering and going down. My rear laser shows a pretty good bit of tire crush. That should be 6.9 inches, and it crushed all the way down to a little less than 5 inches. Front end laser sensor, it showed the front end was definitely moving. So that's 5.2 inches, and it slowly pulled all the way up to almost 11 inches. So almost 6 inches of front travel. That's my rear shocks right on the head. You can see it did something right on the head, but then it was pretty neutral after that. Really nothing major going on there. Alright, and this drive shaft. There's the drive shaft speed. And I've got 430 gears. This was leaving in first gear, which was a 177 first gear, and 35-inch tall tires. So I'll scroll across so you can look in that left corner if you need to see anything particular. But the thing, it looked like it should have been doing good, but I mean, it's not 60 foot good. I can 60 foot better than that with my 275s. So I'm not really impressed with the big tires so far, but I'm sure I'm doing something wrong.